You just look like a fool and they won't buy in on it.
So let's be real. Nobody likes missing out. And that's why FOMO is so powerful. Fear of missing out. But there is one catch.
There is?
If you use it wrong, it could actually end up in a disaster. And we do not want that to happen. And that's why we have this episode on how to create FOMO.
The good way. In business we're talking about now.
Yes.
Not marketing, business.
Yes. So
big difference.
What it is and how you can use it to your advantage. So let's start. You do not want to miss this episode. So to start with, FOMO, fear of missing out.
Yeah. So for 16 years, I've been helping in negotiations, commercial deals, investments. And I've seen the good and the bad.
You have?
Yeah. And there is such a clear difference when it backfires, when you go overboard, and when somebody tries to manipulate you and it does work. And how you do it in a more smart and tasteful way if you want to build a long-term relationship and if you want to get those really savvy investors or business partners.
So that's why we're going to talk about it today.
Yeah.
So why does it work?
Because we are more inclined to be triggered to say yes or go ahead if we feel a risk for losing somebody. Loss aversion hits us harder than opportunity, than winning, than gaining something.
Okay.
So I'm more worried about losing $10 than about gaining $10.
Oh.
So I don't want to miss out.
So you play with the ego a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
This is so
comparing yourself with others. Super important.
Yeah, it is. Now we want to know how not to do when it comes to FOMO.
The bad examples.
Yep.
Well, FOMO contains basically of three pillars. One is urgency. The other is scarcity. And the third is social proof, or the bandwagon.
Yeah.
Everybody else is doing it. So, when it comes to urgency, faking urgency, super risky. I see it a lot when founders are trying to, we're closing the deal on Friday, so you need to decide on, you need to invest now.
Yeah.
And then
nothing happens?
Nothing happens because they didn't manage to close and they come knocking at your door 2 weeks later. Well, we're closing 1st of December. You better hurry, say yes.
Oh, that's not good.
Nothing happens.
But it's quite common.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the only thing that happens is they kind of lose momentum. They seem more desperate, less trustworthy. So do not fake it. It doesn't look good. And we all have seen it in marketing. And again, we're talking business now, business relationships, not marketing.
Now you know that. First one, fake urgency.
Yeah, that's
so
bad.
The next one, what is that?
Well, that is excessive hype. Going overboard when you're trying to hype something. That's the same thing.
Yeah.
Either you're called out and people are frustrated because they said yes to something they didn't really want. Or you just look like a fool and they won't buy in on it. So, risk-free, everybody else is doing it. If you invest, you're going to get rich. I mean, this is the unicorn. I know it's the unicorn. Is that business?
Is it?
No. Perhaps it works on like late night radio when you're selling something to somebody desperate. Or some gamblers, you know, online gambling something, but not in business. It doesn't work.
And
I've
also
seen everything.
Social media.
Yeah, I hear what they're talking about when they walk away from the founders.
Yeah,
and it doesn't work. Excessive hype just leads to them believing you less.
So that's a big no-no.
Yeah, it's a red flag for anybody savvy.
So number 3,
and that is manipulating investors into a bad deal. We talked about that hype, that urgency, and this is even worse. When you say, everyone else is getting rich, you need to jump on now, don't miss the chance.
Don't miss it.
No, everybody you know is investing in this startup. I mean, and they only have 5 spots left. It's a guaranteed unicorn.
But
yeah, so no serious founder, no serious business partner will stress you into good investment. If it's good, it can stand the test of time and it can stand you scrutinizing it.
Oh, so that's really good. So no fake urgency, no excessive hype, and don't manipulate investors into bad risks.
Yep.
Great. But then we want to know how to do it.
The tasteful way.
So how do we do it?
Well, scarcity with integrity.
Ah.
So it needs to be authentic in some way. You can show that you have filled your investment round. If you're looking for 2 million, you might have filled it for 1.5. Make sure to inform them about that. Not in a threatening or aggressive or bragging way, but instead in a, I'm confiding in you. I'm letting you know we already filled the round up until 1.5. So we don't have that much room left and we would love to have you on board.
That's really good.
Yeah, and also honest. Or if you have a specific number of seats, we only have 50 seats on this event. And that's not fake, that's real, because that's all we can manage since we want it to be a personal touch.
So you need to keep the promise of the urgency.
Exactly. It needs
Remember
to be real.
that. And that takes us to number 2.
Perhaps the most important one.
Yeah.
Use social proof. If you have an investor who has done great investments before, or who's perhaps a bit famous in your community, let the others know. And sometimes you don't have to brag about it. Like, oh, I have Adam. Adam's already committed. He's going to be on the board, you know, because Adam is so good. But perhaps you have LinkedIn. And you and Adam are out doing a presentation or grabbing a cup of coffee, or you want to announce it, or on even easier on the stories on Instagram. And let the grapevine do the work for you.
Oh, I love that one.
Because we're social animals.
We are.
And if we see Adam in a tasteful way, knowing he's on board, we go, ooh, he knows what he's doing.
That Adam?
And I would love being affiliated with him. Ooh.
So that's really good.
Yeah, really.
Oh, wow. So number 3 is?
Clear deadlines.
Yes.
Authentic urgency. So no make-believe here. Don't do it. You'll be called out often.
Yeah.
It's up to you. But if you can create urgency that is authentic and not, you have to decide now. No, we can't do a due diligence. You can't talk to your advisors. No.
No, that sounds stupid.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's not serious. But you can say that we are running fast because we want to launch in the US next quarter. So we're looking to close the deal within a month. So if you can get back to me within 2 weeks, that would be highly appreciated because we will need to close it. And if we can't get investment sufficiently, we'll go with the bank loan instead.
I mean, that's brilliant because you sound so calm and so professional.
And still honest. I realize I can't guarantee the funding round because if I could, I wouldn't be talking to you. I would be done, right?
So you like change the energy to something more...
Like honest, serious, and I'll make it work.
I love that.
Yeah.
And number 4?
Number 4, tasteful communication.
Yeah.
We already talked about it. But avoid sounding too eager, bragging too much, too forceful, too many words. Like, it's amazing, it's magic, now. Avoid those. And like you said, well, we're looking to close the round now. And we have seen a lot of attraction. We've only 2 people have said yes right now. But we'll get notice from the rest of them next week. So we hope you can also let us know. Because we're waiting for a reply from 10 different investors. So hopefully at least 2 or 3 will say yes.
I mean, that sounds amazing.
Yeah. So tasteful, confide, communicate, inform so that they can make an informed decision. That's much more FOMO creating than trying to force FOMO on somebody.
And still build trust at the same time.
Exactly.
That's good. I mean, of what I hear from you, FOMO is like the seasoning of the negotiations.
Done right,
Doo-doo.
it will make the dish.
Yeah.
But if you overdo it, it will spoil it. Nobody will touch it.
And we don't not want that to happen. Wow. So now you know how to use FOMO in your business life.
Urgency,
Yep.
scarcity, social proof, in a tasteful package.
Wow. And you heard it here on Business Law Toolbox. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And As always, it's not legal advice. But now you know about the FOMO, so just go out there and try it out, I would say.
Hej då!
Hej då!